We're at my buddy David Evans' new shop called New Creation Garage, checking out the shop for ourselves, his fleet, and doing a podcast recording. If you haven't checked it out yet, check out BW Garage Talk Podcast on YouTube or your favorite streaming platform. Volkswagens, and then we'll talk about your first car, your current car, and this is just oh, you're good. And this is just casual, you know. We might be all over the place, you know.
Yeah, and your master editor will take care of everything.
Yeah, she'll take care of everything. So we'll talk about like your first car, current cars, and then I figure we'll talk about your time at BW when you worked at BW.
And that was the pain of what?
That's the
Your
gear.
It's funny.
Yeah.
Dave just gave me some overriders. I guess the bumper for it from the rear, because I have them on my front of my 73, no rears. He had just rears on the 73, so I was like, just take these. So
yeah.
You know, paid it.
So now both cars will be complete.
Yeah, now they'll be complete. His will have a sleek look. Mine will just have the overrider look. All right, so my friend Dave Evans gave me some little, I guess, overriders or bumper guards. I don't know what they call these. He had them on the rear of his 73 Beetle, and I have some on the front of mine. So he's like, you know what? Why don't you just put these on yours? So I took him up on that offer. That was very nice of him. So we're going to go try that out now. Got a little bit. Here we go. It's going just like this. Okay. Just like so. Decorative thing. It's just a bump if you just lightly bump into something. Very cool. That one's done there. Right here. me fit that one back in. There you go. All right, guys, so here they are. This is actually the correct one that I have to match the fronts. This one's a little off. This one might be an earlier one, but it's good for now. I'm going to keep it on there. Maybe if I find that style later, I'll maybe swap it out. We'll see, but I'm grateful that Dave gave me these and kind of completing the look with the front. So we'll keep it like that and go from there. Also, my friend Russell helped me wire up the trailer lights. We had to get a little module and connected in here so we can have the lights working correctly. Before, I just ran in a 4-wire in here before and just spliced it into a and just to the taillights and everything, and it was messing up everything. So this is what we actually got this at Advance Auto, and we just wired all this in. I'm going to go ahead and pop this back in. I may have to get some screws to tack it in, and go from there. We are ready to go for our camping trip in Niceville, Florida next week. And now that we have everything wired up, I'm comfortable to take the little caboose all the way up to Niceville, Florida, the Bugs on the Bayou. We're looking at a good show that Derek's putting on, Derek Henry, and we're going to have camping, Volkswagen show. It's going to be a new show for us, so we're looking forward to it. So we'll see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.